Gotta fix an exhaust leak on the old girl today.
Yeesh.
All ready for new stuff. All been busted. New hotness. MLS for the win, baby. Nice.